a new video.
For today's video, I will be hiking the Cataract Falls, located in Bolinas, California. The trail is about 3.3 miles out and back. This hike is family friendly and pet friendly as well. This is one of the most popular waterfalls in Marin County, located about 1 hour from San Francisco. The hiking only trail curves right and runs along an arm of Alpine Lake. It's so beautiful and breathtaking. Just keep in mind that as you cross the bridge, you will come across a domestic water supply. Many people going to this hike park along the Fairfax Bolinas Road, surrounded by all these beautiful trees. Once you find parking, get off the car. This will be the sign that you will come to. Let the hiking begin. This trail is very clean and easy to follow. It's story time. So I am starting my hike, and let me tell you, I thought it was gonna be super easy, but it wasn't. So as I'm hiking up the stairs, I'm like, oh my god, piece of cake, let's get this workout in, right? No, halfway through the stairs, I was so tired. So get yourself ready, get yourself some good hiking shoes, and let's keep going. Just look at this beautiful scenery right there, live in person. It was so beautiful. I just want to let you guys know that the water flow is slow in the creek, but overall it's breathtaking. I would like to show you this waterfall. It's a little one, and then we have a little pond here. So beautiful. The weather is amazing. It is hot. There's a little bit of people right now. It's still early. Be alert for the slippery rocks and the falling trees on the side of the ground. If you are me who just likes to you know what, let's just go for it. I'm here. I'm gonna enjoy everything. Just be careful because there were some times where I was about to fall. Starting from Hairpin, turn at the Cataract Creek trailhead. The trail followed along the southern shores of the man-made Alpine Lake. The trail continued towards the headwaters of Alpine Lake where Cataract Creek fed into. This was about 0.4 miles into the hike. At this point, the trail started to climb steeply as it passed by one cascade or waterfall after another. In this breathtaking stretch, I counted at least 3 significant cascades on Cataract Creek. After climbing 400 feet to the 0.6-mile mark, you will cross a wooden pedestrian bridge over Cataract Creek to its eastern side. Just past the bridge is a junction for Helen Market Trail, where you will stay right to climb wooden steps and continue on the Cataract Trail. This little fall is very impressive and it's so beautiful, surrounded by green trees, the rocks, the model, the water. Everything is so gorgeous. Along this trail, I came across this tree branch and the view was beautiful. It was a little bit scary climbing on top of it, but once I was up there, everything just looked so different and I loved it. My goal was to cross the whole branch, but that did not happen. I got scared and you know what? Let's go back. Sexies, ya mis piernas se me están cansando, ya me siento un poquito cansada, hay muchas escaleras, pero todo está muy bonito. You are never far away from the next waterfall because as you're climbing up, you are passing the rushing creek. It is a non-stop excitement but takes quite a while to complete this hike because you're always stopping to look at the waterfall and take pictures like me. So this is the famous waterfall. We officially made it. Unfortunately, it is closed, so you can't swim. I'm not lying, this is true. That's the waterfall. Nada más es un charquito. Once you reach the top of the hike, there's a nice spot to have a picnic. And there's also several tables, so I recommend you guys bring some snacks, some waters, a little speaker, your tablet, you know, to get the party going. And just enjoy the beautiful trees, the plants, the birds. Everything is so spectacular. After you pass the picnic tables, there's also a restroom available for anyone to use at all times. I made it to the top And now I'm making my way back down. What I enjoyed the most about this hike is that there are different falls in different sections. So no matter what direction you go, you always find something different. And every little waterfall is unique in its own way. Once you reach the end of the trail at the Laurel Dale picnic area, it is an easy hike back to the trailhead where you are parked, and it's beautiful and you just have to enjoy all the waterfalls on your way down. Once again, you must cross the pedestrian Cataract Creek Bridge to get back to the car. I had such a beautiful experience. I recommend this hike to anyone. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, the backpack was a little heavy on me, but it's okay. I can do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more videos. Thank you. Besos. See you on the next adventure.